Hey, to improve sound quality of the OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the Hey Melody application on your device, and we've got three methods. And the first one, you have to go into the Enco Master Equalizer and pick, for example, the Blast Boost, Natural Inspiration, or Original Sound. Just check which equalizer mode is sound the best for you. Then I will highly recommend you to go for the high quality audio, enable the LDAC audio codec, which give you better quality, and also turn on the high res mode. So tap on the switcher, click apply again. Now your earbuds will restart, and then you can just go back. And in the last step, I will highly recommend you to go for the golden sound. So in this mode, this application will actually test our hearing, and we should also get the most accurate result. We'll get most accurate result when we actually perform the earbud fit test and then perform these tests in a quiet environment. So you will definitely hear the difference after this canal scan and hearing test. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.